So similar to the other complex fraction questions, we need to simplify numerator denominator first. That's going to involve combining the two fractions in the numerator. We'll need to get a common denominator to do that. And the denominator, before we do the keep change flip, we'll also factor the denominator and see if that results in something that would be helpful as well. So again, first thing, we're going to deal with the numerator first. So 3x over x plus 4 minus 1 over x. Common denominator is going to be x times x plus 4. Let's multiply them together. First fraction doesn't have it, doesn't have the x. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator by x. So you're going to end up with 3x squared over x squared plus 4x. It actually might make sense to leave it. Let's just erase that real quick. It's going to make sense to leave it as x times x minus 4 and not multiply it together. So we're just going to leave it like this. All right, and then the second fraction, you're going to need to multiply numerator and denominator by x plus 4. And you're going to end up with x plus 4 over x times x plus 4. Now when you subtract, you're going to get 3x squared minus x minus 4. All right, that's minus 4 because essentially the x plus 4 is in parentheses. We're just bring that negative sign to both the x and the 4 when you subtract. All right, all of that is over x times x plus 4. Let's go ahead and factor the numerator of that as well. You're going to get 3x. Again, you can do muds with this. I'm going to do guess, and check. It's going to be 3x minus 4 plus 1. You FOIL that back together, you are going to get the numerator. Again, all of that over x times x plus 4. All right, so that's the numerator simplified. Now let's deal with the denominator. Got 3x minus 4. All of that over x squared plus 6x plus 8. Let's try to factor that. It's going to be x plus 4 plus 2. So essentially, again, this is the numerator. This is the denominator. It's this divided by this. If I do a keep change flip, it's going to be this. So 3x minus 4 times x plus 4, all divided by x times x plus 4. A keep change flip is going to change dividing into multiplying, and it's going to flip the denominator. So it'll be x plus 4 times x plus 2. All of that over 3x minus 4. All right, there's several things we can get rid of here. Maybe not several. We'll see. You got 3x minus 4. That's gone. The x plus 4s are gone. All right, and you're left with just x plus 1 times x plus 2. All of that over x. All right, so it looks like A would be your answer there. All right, I don't know if you have other questions.